As for any other projects, for a Playwright project, it's important to manage dependencies efficiently, maintaining consistent environments across different machines, and for project collaboration. Requirements files serves as a list of items to be installed by pip, and if you have followed the previous videos of this playlist, you know that we have installed quite a few packages. Step 1. To save the list of dependencies to a requirements.txt file, we have few options. For example, we can freeze only specific packages, or we can get all the packages that are installed and simply redirect the output of pip freeze command into a file. For example, pip freeze requirements.txt. This command creates a requirements.txt file containing all the installed packages and their versions. And of course, in this context of having a Playwright project, we do not want to store everything here. So what we can do is to remove the dependencies we do not need and leave only the ones we need for our project, just like this. Here we have PyTest, which is the test framework used for writing and running automated tests. PyTest Playwright, which provides fixtures and utilities to use Playwright with PyTest. And PyTest XDist plugin, which extends PyTest with new test execution modes, like running tests in parallel across multiple CPUs. You can also include, if you want, the Playwright package, but this is optional because it will be installed with PyTest Playwright package. And in general, a note here, we do not have to include all the additional dependencies that are needed as part of those main packages, because those will be automatically installed when running the installation. Step 2 is installation. Once we have a requirements.txt file, we can easily set up the environment with the same dependencies by installing the packages listed in the file. So here we have pip install -r requirements.txt. In my case, all the requirements are satisfied because I have already installed those packages. And in summary, pip freeze is used to generate a list of installed packages and their versions. And pip install -r requirements.txt installs all the dependencies listed in the requirements file. And that's everything for now. Thank you for your time and see you in the next one. Bye.